Nonkanyiso Laconco prefers Duduzane Zuma over his father Jacob Zuma. Nonkanyiso Conco has stolen the hearts of many on the Real Housewives of Durban. Her sassiness that many got to learn on the reality show made her the star amongst the ladies, not downplaying Ayanda's magnetism of course. Nonkanyiso on the show has managed to break away from the undignified title of being former President Jacob Zuma's ex-fiancée, who got kicked out from the family before she got to have her dream wedding. She has created a name for herself as a businesswoman who is raising their son. Even entertainer Sindi was mesmerized by Laconco, saying her personality is fit for TV and would love to meet her. Last night I watched Rod. Can I just say I'm here for Laconco. Never met her, never heard her talk, just seen her once in the newspaper. Hey, the girl is the girl she thinks she is. She is TV, straightforward. I don't know her to handle. The spiciness on the show, though, had its jaw-dropping moments, and one which caught our attention was the cringe-worthy question posed by widow Ayanda and Queen to Laconco. She had us thinking, would the diva have dated Duduzane Zuma and not Jacob Zuma if she would have been given the chance? During a Truth or Dare game, Laconco got asked had she not met Jacob first, would she have dated his son Duduzane? This prompted a quick response from the mother of one, which was definitely not, and added that as a woman she has a certain type of men she goes for, and Duduzane is not one of them. Because I'm so sure. I get so many stops, DMs, I think I'm just that woman with a certain preference. Not at all, definitely no, she said. This came about after Laconco introduced herself as a fiancée, raising speculations that she is probably still engaged with the former president. Her relationship status is one that many wish to find out, but she remains tight-lipped about it. Laconco has thus far obeyed the Zuma family's instructions to keep their family name out from the reality show. They believe that she accepted the offer to star in the reality show because she had a hidden agenda against them. Already the Zuma name is being talked about almost every day in the media. We don't want any drama as the family. Enough is enough. But we warn her not to bring the Zuma name into disrepute, or else she will regret it. We are really tired now as a family of people who tarnish our name and get away with it. But I'm not in any way saying she will do that, said Jacob Zuma's nephew Nkosi Zuma to briefly. She has the right to do whatever she wants to do as long that doesn't cause pain to other people. All I'm saying is that she must not say or do things that might harm the Zuma family name, which I think was the ticket for her to get chosen for that role, he added.